we decided to take a little step away and break from work and the car things, and we are at a freaking pumpkin patch. You can't see it yet, but we are getting there, and my inner child is ready for this. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Can you say that one more time for me?
There's a big gator.
Dude, I want to ride it.
There's a big old gator.
It's huge. Look at all the pumpkins. Let's see this.
Oh yeah.
5.5.
Don't you slope me down. I'm 6 foot. I got a 1-inch booster on these bad boys right here. Okay?
You're not 6 foot.
Delicious.
It's so cute. Boop. Ooh, big oops. And she's on. In 3 hours, this baby's gonna be in Joshua Tree, skirting on the road.
3 hours later.
It is here.
It made it! Woo! I am so freaking excited. As we didn't know, we have literally 2 houses. That and this. And we're gonna shoot it here, as well as bringing it out into Joshua Tree and getting some really cool pictures and videos. So I'm really excited. Off she comes. I literally cannot wait to shoot with the car here tomorrow. It's literally gonna be amazing. She officially touched down in freaking Joshua Tree, guys. Hello, hello. I hope you are having a beautiful day. It is currently Tuesday, and we are next day. Airbnb. Have been shooting all day. Got some really awesome content with the M2, and we are about to. I'm gonna show you. It's a little bit of a walk, guys. It's crazy how big this driveway is. Been shooting on that all day with the car, and the boys have been shooting the M2 all over the place. We got drone footage. We're gonna get some GoPro footage. And all the footage, guys. Look how pretty she looks. We're about to go out because Randy went scouting earlier and he found a really good secluded area that we are going to go shoot more footage and drone footage of the car, me driving it, and also some extra spicy content. You know, if you know, you know. So I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. So stay freaking tuned.
Yeah. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Hey, you're good, you're good.
I'm aired up so high.
Keep going. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
The end was just...
Drags the whole exhaust. Yeah, you're good.
Get in, we're going shopping.
Alright. Alright, what's the snack that smiles back?
Me.
Goldfish.
Shh, nobody likes goldfish.
Hey Mason, that's me waiting for Natalie's next vlog.
Hey. If I'm being honest, I can't button my pants when I'm sitting.
You can't what?
Button my pants.
Button your pants.
They're too tight. Alright guys, well, as you can see, I am no longer in Joshua Tree. I am super sad because it was so beautiful. The content we got was so amazing, as you saw in the clips earlier. Now that I'm home, I'm going to be trying out the anti-lag on the M2. I've never had a vehicle with anti-lag, so honestly this is going to be a learning experience for me and hopefully you as well. But first, I want to show you guys some of the new merch that just dropped. I'm thriving with this merch drop. It's definitely one of my absolute favorites that I've ever dropped. And I want to do a quick, short, I know, just a short little showing for you guys of the new merch. All right, so here are a few of the air fresheners that just dropped on this release. I absolutely love how this air freshener came out. The cutout design is super sick. I also really like the Roush Garage for those who aren't wanting to have an air freshener like this one. This one's super sick, smells amazing. We did our OG Sheesh Sparkle and just a basic holographic if you are not wanting something so bright and poppy, but I love these stickers, they're so funny. Sheesh. Next we have our Shablam Sheesh. There's only 4 of these left in stock, so get one now while you can, because if you don't, well, you're never gonna get it again. Here we have the Roush design that you guys loved so much from the last release. We brought it back for you guys. And then we also did a Roush Garage banner. It's a little bit bigger of a sticker. I cannot wait to put this on the M2. Brought back the OG Mark IV. Did some revamps of the M2. And then my all-time favorite Roush. If you don't cop this, honestly, I'm gonna be so disappointed in you. The sticker is amazing. And last, I have a bunch of shirts that just launched as well. I will be getting those in hopefully this week so that I can actually post stories for you guys, take photos so that you can see them. All orders will be shipping end of this week, early next week, so super soon, guys. Check your emails for your tracking, but I last want to show you one of the boys. I am in need of a hat.
I bring you a hat.
Why is this?
Yes.
Guys, this is our first ever hat design we have dropped. It is the N Roush, and we did it in the black and a red and black colorway. I'm actually obsessed with the red. I wish I had one to show you, but I will probably show you in the next video. Or if you're following the merch account, you will see it there. This is sick. Cop it. If you don't, you suck.
Hey, shop this sticker now. NatalieandRoush.com.
Yeehaw!
And get your little snapbacks right here, you know.
Now we're gonna move on to the fun part.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, the gods have given me a straightaway. From what I'm learning and what Kennedy told me and YouTube videos, knowledge, for anti-lag, you want to be, I'm gonna try it in 3rd gear first before I try 2nd. I wanna learn 3rd gear before I just full blast it into 2nd gear because this is a lot of power and I'm not gonna be stupid with it. But you want to, since it would be in 3rd gear, you wanna be a little over 3,000 RPMs or at 3,000 RPMs for it to kind of engage really well. And then for the M2 button here, it technically clicks up twice. Like when you feel it, there's 2 clicks up, but you want to only hit 1 click. It's like just that one little taste of a click, and once you hit that click, you have 3 seconds to slam on the gas and just let off the click and go, and then scary but fun, but it. Alright, ready?
I think you could have held it just a tiny bit longer for it to
could
build up
have.
a little bit more boost.
Yeah, but I was on such like a limit. I didn't want to not take the chance.
That time it felt good. The first time it didn't feel as much. That was definitely good. Yeah.
Bing bong. On my chest.
What was that?
Didn't say anything.
Are you ready? Barbecue sauce on your titties?
Dude, barbecue sauce all over my titties. Ready? Alright guys, are we ready? First time doing a 2nd gear pull with the anti-lag. I'm in 2nd now. On my way to my release. first, second gear, and now I kind of have more of a feel at it.
I just want to feel it once. You can do it whenever. All right.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
So what was your thought?
The thing spins a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I was not expecting that at all.
See, but that's what I was thinking. And like the first time that I did it in second gear, my head literally like bounced forward and smacked the back of my seat, and I was like, what?
I feel like the audio cannot capture how loud this car is, especially when the anti-lag is going on.
Skirt, skirt.
I think saying skirt. Shop this sticker now. Natalie Roush. Natalie Roush. Hey, shop this sticker now. Natalie Roush. Natalie Roush. Hey, shop this sticker now. NatalieRoush.com.
What are you whispering?